Same deal again. Every VCAA methods exam, 2018 to 2025. 16 papers, 268 questions, sorted into topics. Algebra and polynomials, about 10%. Transformations, about 7%. Put them together and it's almost a fifth of the exam, and almost none of it is hard maths. It's just easy to trip over the rules. So today, 5 algebra and transformation traps. Quick 1. Dilate this graph by a factor of 3 from the x-axis. Does it get taller or wider? Lock in your guess. 3, 2, 1. Taller. From the x-axis means every point moves away from the x-axis, straight up or down. It stretches the y values, not the x values. The name feels backwards, but it's describing which axis the points are moving away from. 2 transformations. Translate 3 right, then dilate by a half from the y-axis. Or, do it the other way round, dilate first, then translate. Same graph either way. Lock in your guess. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Translate then dilate gives you a parabola with its vertex at 1.5. Dilate then translate gives you a completely different parabola, vertex at 3. Same 2 transformations. Different order. Different graph. There's no shortcut here. Do the transformations in the exact order the question gives them, one at a time. Swap the order, and you'll get the wrong answer, even though you used the right transformations. True or false. Every cubic has 3 real roots, so its graph always crosses the x-axis 3 times. Lock in your guess. 3, 2, 1. False. Here's a perfectly normal cubic, and it only crosses once. The other 2 roots are still there. They're just complex. They don't show up on a real graph at all. A cubic has at least 1 real root, not necessarily 3. This is from a real VCAA exam. F of 5 equals 0, so x minus 5 is a factor. Does that tell you what the other 2 roots are? Not even close. You still have to divide it out. Do that here, and the other factor turns out to be x plus 2 squared. That's a repeated root. So the graph doesn't cross at -2, it just touches and bounces back. Verifying one root tells you nothing about how the rest behave. 2 lines. Y equals 2x plus 1. Y equals kx plus 3. For almost every value of k, they cross exactly once. Is there a value of k where they never cross at all? Yes. When k equals 2, both lines have exactly the same slope. Same steepness, different starting height. They run side by side forever and never touch. Same slope, different intercept, equals no solution, guaranteed. So, from the x-axis stretches y, not x, order of transformations changes the answer. A cubic can cross the x-axis just once. One verified root tells you nothing about the rest. And matching slopes with different intercepts means no solution at all. That's most of algebra and transformations, right there. Now go get it right. Want to practice more like this? Come find us at examprep.com.au. Real past exam questions, and an AI tutor that walks through it with you, one step at a time. See you there.